Hello aspirants, welcome to Lokayan IAS Academy. My name is Praveen Akkanoru. As you all know, we have started a series of UPSC CSET PYQs. You must have seen my last video also. And today we are going to look at LCM and HCF. UPSC likes this chapter very much and they ask multiple questions every year, right? We have only 10 days and it is the best way to cover your syllabus through PYQs. Or if you have studied well, then it is a good way to revise also, right? So we have all heard about LCM and HCF, but every time students get confused regarding the concept. What is LCM and what is HCF? Why and when and where they are used, right? So what is LCM? LCM is nothing but least common multiple. And what is HCF is highest common factor. Now look at each and every word is important. Least. It should be least. It should be common. Common means what? LCM or HCF is of two numbers or more than two numbers, right? There cannot be an HCF of only one number. So, and multiple. Here it is factor. What is multiple and what is factor? Multiple is a number which is in multiple. If 3 is a number, what are multiples of 3? That are 3, 6, 9, endless multiples, right? If 15 is a number, what are the factors of 15? Factor means what? Those numbers which can divide 15. Those are 1 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 5 is a factor, right? So, least common multiple. Now, I'll explain this with an example. See, 45 and 60 are two numbers. So, I have to find HCF and LCM of these two numbers. So, the traditional method is 45. If it is a first number, then I have to find the factors of 45. So, first number, least number that can divide 45 is 3. So it will give me 15. Then again 15 can be divided by 3, it will give me 5. Till I get 1. That means on left side I got the factors of 45. That are 3 into 3 into 5. Similarly, factors of 60 are 2 into, अगर 2 ने मैंने इसको divide किया, so I'll get 30. So again 2 ने divide किया तो 15. 3 ने divide किया तो 5. 5 ने divide किया तो 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Right? So how can I find HCF of these two numbers? For HCF, I'll take only common factors. For HCF, I'll take only common. See, these 3 and these 3 are common. So 3 into, do I have any other common factor here? Do I have any common factor here? Yes, it is 5. So instead of using this 2, 5, I can get only common factor. So 5. Other than that, I don't have any common factor. So 3 into 5, that is 15, is the HCF of these two numbers. Which numbers? 45 and 60. 15 is the HCF of 45 and 60. How to find LCM? For LCM, I'll take common factors. ये 2 3 है, 3 में से एक 3 ले लिया. ये 2 5 है, इनमें से एक 5 ले लिया. Those who don't have any partner, this 3 has no partner other side. So take it directly into this 2 doesn't have any partner other side. This 2 also. So those factors which are not common, you take it directly. So 5 into 3, 15 into 2, 30 into 2, 60, 60 into 3, 180. 180. 180 will be the LCM. Now how to read it? 15 is the HCF of 45 and 60. That means 50 is the highest number which can divide both 45 and 60. 15 is the highest number which can divide 45 and 60. And how to read LCM? LCM is 180. So 180 is the least number to which 45 and 60 can divide. 180 is the least number to which 45 and 60 can divide. So LCM and HCF are used in this way. Now nobody will ask you to find directly these are two numbers and find LCM and HCF of these two numbers. They are not going to ask in such direct way, but indirectly they will ask such a question where you have to use this concept. Let's see first question. What is the smallest number greater than 1000 that when divided by any of these numbers 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 leaves a remainder of 3? Leaves a remainder of 3. Now look at this question. They haven't asked you to find LCM HCF. Still I have put this question in this topic. Why? Because they have given the definition of LCM. We have to find such smallest number which is greater than 1000 that when divided by any one of these numbers 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 leaves a remainder of 3. Leaves a remainder of. Now for the sake of the convenience, just forget the last part, remainder wala part. We have to find the number which is divisible by 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. In short, we have to find LCM of 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So what is the LCM of 6, 9, 12, 15, 18? Now, see, first, LCM directly कैसा ढूंढना? 18 is the biggest number, right? 18 का जो largest number है, उसका table count करो. 18 ones are 18. Does that come into others tables also? No. 18 doesn't come into table of 12. It doesn't come in the table of 15. So no. 18 twos are 36. 36 comes in the table of 12. 36 comes in the table of 9. 36 comes in the table of 6. 36 comes in the table of 18. So LCM of 6, 9, 12 and 18. LCM of 15 को बाजू में रखते हैं. 6, 9, 12 और 18 का LCM है 36. बचा एक नंबर है 15. सो LCM ऑफ 36 और 15 का हमें देखना है क्या है. सो 36 के फैक्टर्स क्या मिलेंगे हमें? 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 9 और 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 3 और 15 के क्या मिलेंगे? 3 इंटू 5. सो एलसीएम क्या होगा? ये 3 तो कॉमन है, ये कॉमन के लिए एक 3 ले लिया इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 क्या होगा? 3 टू 6 जोड़ा 12 और ये बचा हुआ 5, ये होगा 180. सो इन सारे नंबर्स का एलसीएम आ गया 180. बट 180 is the least number which is divisible by 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. But in the question they have asked that what is the smallest number greater than 1000? Greater than 1000. 180 is not greater than 1000. So we have to take multiples of 180 till we reach 1000. So 180 के अगर मैं multiple लेते चला गया, so next number will be 360, 540, 720, 900, 1080. So 1080 will be the first number, the least number which is greater than 1000 but which is divisible by 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. पर हमें रिमाइंडर भी चाहिए. ये नंबर हमारा आंसर है लेकिन हमें रिमाइंडर भी उसमें ऐड करना चाहिए. सो 1080 में अगर मैंने रिमाइंडर ऐड कर दिया तो मुझे फाइनल आंसर 1083 is my final answer. It fulfills all the conditions. You can cross check it with by dividing 6 by dividing 9. You can cross check के हर time it will give you remainder as 3, right? So in such type of questions, see this is the key. Smallest number हमें ढूंढना है. Smallest LCM का जो long form है उसमें क्या है? Least. So least, smallest, shortest, these are the clues. यूजिंग विच यू कैन फाइंड एलसीएम. और एचसीएफ में क्लू क्या होगा? हाईएस्ट, ग्रेटेस्ट, ऐसा. राइट. सो कीप दैट इन माइंड. रिमाइंडर एलसीएम निकालो, उसमें रिमाइंडर ऐड करो, तुम्हें आंसर मिल जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, what is the greatest length of x such that 3 1/2 meter and 8 3/4 meter are integral multiples of x? तो ऐसा हमें ग्रेटेस्ट लेंथ ढूंढना है. ग्रेटेस्ट में ही तुम्हें पता है कि यहाँ पे एचसीएफ निकालना है. राइट. ऐसा ग्रेटेस्ट लेंथ निकालना है कि जिस लेंथ के ये दोनों क्या है? मल्टीपल्स. इन शॉर्ट तुम्हें ये दोनों नंबर का एचसीएफ निकालना है. सो एचसीएफ ऑफ, अब 3 1/2 को सिंप्लीफाई कैसे करें? 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7/2, HCF ऑफ 7/2. एंड इसका सिंप्लीफाई क्या होगा? 8 4 32 plus 3 35/4. सो HCF ऑफ फ्रैक्शन जब रहता है तो उसका फॉर्मूला है HCF ऑफ न्यूमरेटर्स डिवाइडेड बाय LCM of denominators. HCF of fraction का ये फॉर्मूला है. So HCF of numerator means HCF of 7 and 35 and LCM of 2 and 4. So HCF of 7 and 35 आएगा 7, LCM of 2 and 4 आएगा 4. So 7/4 is our answer. उसको अगर कन्वर्ट करें तो 7 1 4 1 4, 3/4. 1 3/4 is your answer. 1 3/4 meter. So option number D. What is the least 4-digit number? Same question in another question paper. What is the least 4-digit number when divided by 3, 4, 5 and 6 leaves a remainder 2 in each case? So least 4-digit number, that means that number must be greater than 1000. So just find LCM of 3, 4, 5, 6. What will be the LCM of 3, 4, 5, 6? 6 का अगर मैंने टेबल काउंट करना शुरू किया तो which will be the first number that is divisible by 3, 4, 5, 6? That will be 60. 60 is divisible by 6, by 5, by 4, by 3. So 60 is LCM, but we need 4-digit number. So 60 को अगर मैं मल्टीप्लाई करते चला गया, कहां तक? अगर 15 से भी मल्टीप्लाई किया तो कितना आएगा? 900 आएगा. 16 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 960 आएगा. और 17 से मल्टीप्लाई किया मैंने 60 को, so 1020 आएगा. So 1020 is the first 4-digit number that is divisible by 3, 4, 5, 6. हमें रिमाइंडर चाहिए 2, तो इसमें 2 ऐड करो. So 1022 will be our answer. Same question. A person X wants to distribute some pens among 6 children A, B, C, D, E and F. Suppose A gets twice the number of pens received by B, 3 times that of C, 4 times that of D, 5 times that of E and 6 times that of F. What is the minimum number of pens X should get or buy so that the number of pens each one gets is an even number? A, B, C, D और F को X नाम का आदमी कुछ पेन्स बांट रहा है और कंडीशन क्या दी है? A gets twice the number of pens B. So A को जितने मिले हैं पेन्स वो B के डबल है, C के ट्रिपल है, 4 times of D, 5 times of E and 6 times of F. Right? So what minimum number of pens? Minimum वर्ड आ गया तो यहाँ पे LCM आ गया. Right? So A का जो वैल्यू है वो 2 का मल्टीपल है, 3 का मल्टीपल है, 4 का, 5 का, 6 का. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 का LCM क्या है? 60 है. राइट? सो LCM 60 है तो A का अगर वैल्यू 60 है तो B का कितना होगा? A से आधा होगा, 30 होगा. C का उससे 1/3 होगा, सो 20. D का 1/4 होगा, सो 15. E का 1/5 होगा, सो 12. और F का 1/6 होगा, सो 10. राइट? सो ये A, B, C, D, E, F की वैल्यूज है. नंबर ऑफ पेन्स दे गॉट फ्रॉम X. बट एक कंडीशन यहां पे फुलफिल नहीं हो रहा. कौन सा कंडीशन है? so that the number of pens each one gets is an even number. Number of pens each one gets should be an even number. यहाँ पे ये जो D है उसको 15 पेन मिल रहे, it is not an even number. So A cannot have 60 pens, but A will have multiples of 60. So let's check whether 120 pens A के पास है, तो बाकियों के number of pens क्या होंगे? B, C, number of pens A has is double of B. So B के पास कितने होंगे? A से आधे होंगे. B will have 60 pens. C के पास 1/3 होंगे, so 40 pens. D के पास 1/4 होंगे, so 30 pen. E के पास 1/5 होंगे, so 24 pens. F के पास 1/6 होंगे, so 20 pens. Now A, B, C, D, E और F के पास these number of pens they will have. Just cross check all the conditions are fulfilled or not. A got double of B, triple of C, 4 times of D, 5 times of E, and 6 times of F. All got even number of pens. So all conditions are fulfilled. So these number of pens are correct. What is the question here? X wants to distribute some pens. So how many pens X has distributed? So in सबका total चाहिए हमें. So 120 plus 60 plus 40 plus 30 plus 24 plus 20. अगर मैंने total कर दिया, so 294 number of pens. That is option number C. Right? So these were the questions, or these types of questions have been asked in UPSC exam based on HCF and LCM. In next video, we are going to look at some questions based on fractions or simple fractions or decimal fractions also, and some questions on the simplification. Till that time, stay tuned and wait for our next video. It is going to be very useful in your exam. Thank you.